What's going on? So if you already watched our other video, this is step 2 of the process, and once you get this thing plugged in, it's going to fire on up. You're going to see the Apple logo, and that's how you know that this is working. So next step is, what do you do to get the photo booth actually up and running and operating? So let's go ahead and get to it. You're going to swipe on up. If it blacks out, no worries, just tap on it. Swipe up. You're going to want to make sure that you have the Wi-Fi name and password to wherever location, wherever event space, venue that you're at, or even if it's at your house. Down here, once you have that information, you see a gear. Tap on that gear. Once it's fully up and going, you're going to find the Wi-Fi option over here, which is right up here. And then you already know the name, you already know the password. So find that Wi-Fi name, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to pop up with a password prompt. And then you're going to type in that password. We're already connected because we're here at Freedom Family Church, and we've used this here plenty of times, so the password's already keyed in. So once you're done keying in your Wi-Fi password into that Wi-Fi name, you're good to go. So let's go ahead and swipe up and go on to the next step. Next step is you're going to find this white box with a black oval inside of it. You're going to tap on it. That is the Photobooth software. Over here, you're going to see the event. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of pictures on these. That's not yours. We kindly ask for you not to go snooping through all those photos. So over here, you're going to see one with a blank picture in there. And it's going to have your name for your event on there. For example, we have a prom this weekend, so we already named it prom. So tap on prom. It's going to come up over here to your gallery, which there's nothing there right now. And then you're going to go ahead and hit this button over here. It says start event. Now it's going to come up with some prompts. You're going to see these exclamation points. No worries, you can ignore all of those. For example, it says LED ring not connected. No worries, don't worry about it. You're good to go. Event passcode. No worries, not enabled. You're good to go. Guided access not enabled. You're good to go. We only use those on very specific events, and your event is not one of those. Thank goodness. So right over here, you're going to see that button that says Start Photo Booth. You're going to tap on that. It's going to take you to the next prompt screen, and it says tap the top left corner twice to exit the event. This is just a prompt. You don't actually have to tap it. The black button right here, it says confirm and start, so that's what we're going to do. Confirm and start. And there you go. It's going to say tap to start. So we're going to tap it. It's going to say choose a mode. Down here we have 3 different modes. It says boomerang, photo, video. So this gives your guests plenty of options of what kind of mode they want to capture. And so we're going to go ahead and do photo. We're going to get behind here. And there you go. You see, you got that picture. There's going to be a green button over here. This green button is what all of your guests are going to want to hit. And it's very simple. It says share with a check mark on it. And then let's just say they don't like their picture. This black button, it says delete, so they do have the option to retake that picture if they didn't like it. But we're going to keep moving forward. And yes, you're going to see this prompt. It says, are you still there? You will return to the tap to start screen in 4, 3, 2. So we're going to go ahead and hit yes. That's what buys you more time. You're going to hit share. You're going to hit text, airdrop, QR code, or email. We're going to hit text. So for example, we're going to key in our business line to Southern Elegance Events, 919-799-2948. And then you're going to hit send. And that's it. That's how your guests take the picture, send it to their phone, and you're going to, I just got that text message right now. That's right, I'm recording off my phone. I've already got that text message. Now, let's just say that you do not have Wi-Fi. You don't have any access to any Wi-Fi. No worries. That's where the airdrop comes into play if they have Apple phones. And this will prompt, it popped back up again. No worries. Just let it happen. If nobody's over here, you don't have to worry about hitting anything. And it just automatically goes back to the beginning. But what I was trying to say here is that that's why we have the airdrop capabilities on there. That's why we have the QR code capabilities on there, because it most definitely stores the pictures on this device so that when they scan the QR code, it allows it to send it to them. And let's just say they hit text. Like I said, there's no Wi-Fi. No worries. As soon as this gets back to us, as soon as we receive our photo booth after you've dropped it off from a rental, we will connect it to the internet so that everyone that took a picture at your event will get their picture within 24 to 48 hours after we connect it to the internet. Now, next step is once you're done at the event, you're completely done, you're ready to break down, all you gotta do is swipe up, you're back to the main screen, you're gonna go over here to the gear. Once you're over here to the gear, I do want to apologize. I know it's very bright, it's looking kind of weird, but just please bear with me. I'm not a professional videographer or anything like that. That's why I work with a whole bunch of them so that they can make sure that this isn't an issue. But with that being said, you're gonna go over here to the gear again. You're gonna find, this is where that Wi-Fi was at. You're gonna go over here and find general. You're gonna tap on general. Once you're done with general, you're gonna go all the way down to the bottom on the right side of it, and you're gonna find shut down. You're gonna shut down this photo booth. You're gonna slide it down. You're gonna slide it out, and you're gonna go. You're gonna say power off, and you're done. And that's it.